Hi learners, I hope you all are doing well. Today we gonna learn what is poetic devices. Poetic devices are simple language tricks that poets use to make poems sound nice and meaningful. Or we can say poetic devices are special ways of using words to make a poem more beautiful and interesting. Now let us understand some important poetic devices, especially sound devices. Alliteration, sound of first letter. Alliteration means repetition of the same beginning consonant sound. For example, silly snake slides slowly. Here the S sound is repeated. When we say it loudly, silly snake slides slowly, we can hear the same starting sound. So alliteration creates musical effect. Assonance, vowel sound repetition. Now let us understand assonance. Assonance means repetition of the same vowel sound in nearby words. Example, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Rain Spain stays mainly plain. Here the long sound is repeated again and again. You can clearly hear the same vowel sound repeating. This repetition of vowel sound is called assonance. It creates a musical and rhythmic effect in poetry. Consonance, consonant sound repetition. Consonance means repetition of consonant sounds in the middle or end of words. Example, blank and think. Here the NK sound is repeated. It makes the poem rhythmic. Rhyme, ending sound. Rhyme means same ending sound. Example, cat bat hat. When we pronounce them, the at sound is same. Rhyme makes poems easy to remember. Simile, simile means comparing two things using like or as. For example, she is as fast as a cheetah. Here we are comparing a girl to a cheetah using as. So learners, if you see like or as in comparison, it is a simile. Metaphor, metaphor also compares two things, but without using like or as. Example, time is money. Here time is directly called money. So when one thing is said to be another thing directly, it is a metaphor. Personification, personification means giving human action to non-living things. Example, the sun smiled. Sun cannot smile, but we are giving it a human action. That is called personification. Hyperbole, hyperbole means big exaggeration. Example, I am so hungry I could eat a horse. It is not real, it is just to show strong feeling. That is called hyperbole. So learners, always remember, poetic devices are the tools that give life and beauty to poetry. They help us enjoy and understand poems better. I hope you understood the topic clearly. If you liked this explanation, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next class.